gonna show you new console table. Sintered stone tabletop and aluminum frame legs, don't rust, don't damage, white color top table and black color legs of the table mix have very classy style. Sintered stone tabletop have very good touch feelings. Scratch-proof test-top rock slab, leave no trace. This table have very high density and low leakage. Sintered stone table and fire. Our table very easy to clean. This tabletop have 3 colors for choose and you can choose the best one for your interior. The table size very convenient, 1 meter and 1 meter 20. My height 1 meter 60 and I'm very comfortable, bring a lot of things for this table. That's all sharing for today. See you next time. Bye bye!